everybody, June 19th. The June Bug Rally returns to action. And guys and gals, oh my goodness, is it going to be something special this year? First of all, look at these fantastic shirts for this year's June Bug Rally. Ladies and gentlemen, if you know what the June Bug Rally is, then you know. But if you don't, you need to come see it. It is a gimmick rally through the streets of Austin, Texas on June 19th. Registration opens at 3. Drivers meeting at 4:30. And we have our world famous LeMans start at 5 p.m. Austin, Texas, June 19th. What can you do? What can you win for June Bug? Oh, all kinds of things. First and foremost, if you are the champion of the June Bug Rally, you get the most coveted award in all of motorsports, the June Bug Rally Championship Trophy. Right now I don't have it because it's a traveling trophy. It goes to last year's winners, so they will be presenting it this year. But what else do you get? We have top 3 wins. We have most people in a Volkswagen. We have the raciest Volkswagen. We have the oldest Volkswagen. We have the newest Volkswagen. Don't forget, costumes always encouraged for the best dress. We really want to see that this year, best dress. We have the, hey, at least you tried award. That's always a good one. Don't forget, hey, most likely catch fire. Most likely get pulled over by the cops. Of course, we have the good karma and the bad karma. Always fun picking those out, as always. Most likely not to make it. Look at all those wonderful prizes. Hey, here's one of my favorites. Don't laugh, your daughter might be in here. And of course, Rookie of the Year. And of course, this year, we're adding Farthest Traveled. So you're going to get all kinds of prizes. Look at these wonderful prizes, ladies and gentlemen. June Bug Rally, June 19th, Austin, Texas. Be there, be there, be there. 3 o'clock registration, 4:30 drivers meeting, and the green flag drops at 5 p.m. See ya!